You are watching Tania Vibes. Welcome to my channel. Kindly share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's enjoy.
Guys, welcome to my channel. I salute you all. Welcome to Tania Vibes 3704. Today we are cooking rice balls, but we are starting with cooking rice. I measured water, a half of an onion, salt, and one half kilo of rice. So come with me and we'll start cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. Those ones who have not been subscribing, please come and join us. Subscribe to our channel and God will bless you. We have other channels to run: Tconnect UG, Mama Rapo Africa, and Tash Connect UG. Please go and support us. Support our combined channel, Tconnect UG. May God bless you. Let's continue cooking our food. Making our balls. Now the next step is frying. So let's enjoy frying the balls. Banayo kusiika kuzinga bubozi bwaffe buwedde, ndowooza mubulaba bulungi. Kati bamikwano twenjoyinge ffe tulabe results ezinaavaamu. Naye bw'oba oli eyo bandi kigezeeko olabe ng'onyumirwa okulya ebintu ebipya mu nju yo. Tosiiba ku mmere yokka buli kaseera n'ofumba amatooke, buli kaseera n'ofumba lumonde, buli kaseera n'ofumba muwogo. Keep on changing diet, please. Enjoy the rest. Water of wheat flour, 2 eggs, salt and water. That's where you're going to dip your balls. Nga tetunnaba kutandika kuzizaffe ez'omuceere, tumixinze kwota y'eŋŋano, ne tuteekamu amagi 2, ne tuteekamu omunnyo, ne tuteekamu n'amazzi. Nkozesezza hafu y'omuceere. Y'ensonga lwaki nkozesezza kwota y'eŋŋano okufuna kye tugenda okudiipingamu bubozi bwaffe. Ntaddemu n'akanzaali akahalambe. Eŋŋano yaffe esobole okubeera nga ya orange, ereme kubeera nga white plain. So tugenda mu maaso n'okukola balls, then tusiike. Now the balls are okukola balls. Ndowooza mugulaba. Kati tugenda kutandika okusiika. N'olwekyo bamikwano musiike nange twenjoyinge nga tusiika emmere yaffe. This is what is taking place. Those are the balls in our cooking oil. So keep on flying with me and learn something. Wano we tutuuse bamikwano tukyagenda mu maaso n'okusiika rice balls zaffe. So n'olwekyo bamikwano tugende mu maaso n'okusiika tulabe results ennungi ezigenda okuvaamu. Keep on watching. Bamikwano rice balls zaffe ziwedde. Kati tugenda kusiika vegetables zaffe. Tugenda kufumba vegetable eggs. Ebisigadde katulindeko tubirabe engeri gye bigenda okuvaamu so that we can enjoy our meal. Guys, as I told you, we are cooking rice balls today. When you're cooking rice balls or any other food, you have to get something like greens to accompany that food. So today we are cooking greens, these cabbages, tomatoes, onions, carrots, eggs, green pepper. That's what we are going to use as our accompaniment to our rice balls. So you're going to enjoy cooking with me and you learn something. Thank you. We are going to start frying our vegetables. Now I'm putting eggs. Tutandise okusiika enva zaffe. Tutandise n'amagi. Ogalaba nti olina okugakuba ne gabeera crushed well. I'm crushing my eggs well. I'm adding in onions. We are putting carrots and green pepper. See, the oil is not so much, so we have to add cooking oil. But before we add in cooking oil, let's add cabbage. We add raw cabbages to mix everything well. Then later we shall put an onion, tomatoes. I'm using the same cooking oil I used to fry our balls. Here we are. You can write down in our comments and tell me, how do you cook your vegetables?
Hi Tania.
Yes,
What are we cooking today?
we are cooking vegetable
Yeah.
and rice balls.
Vegetables and rice balls. That's cabbage, right?
Yeah, cabbage, eggs, carrots, onions, green pepper.
Which channel is this?
Tania Barbs.
Oh, Tania Barbs.
3704.
Okay, guys, don't forget always to subscribe to my sister's channel, Tania Barbs 374.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those are rice balls.
Yeah.
So
They're rice balls.
That's what we are gonna eat for breakfast.
Yes.
Is that breakfast or lunch?
Breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
So,
Naomi is on camera.
yeah. When you're cooking, please be inspired. Be inspired to cook what you're cooking. For me, I'm inspired with someone. Are you inspired with what I'm cooking? You can write down in your comments and tell me who is inspiring you to do what you're doing.
Wow, kisho otegeeza tulina okubeera inspired.
Yeah. Olina okubeera inspired n'omuntu gw'ofumbira oba gw'okolera ekintu oba ekintu kyonna ky'okola. Olina okubeera inspired. Kubanga bw'otabeera inspired, onafuwa nga tolina... Now everything is about to be ready. I'm going to add our tomatoes. No, I need that knife. Thank you. Cutting our tomatoes in this shape.
Why?
Not so small, because they have to fit in those cabbages, because cabbages are big. And everything I put, it was big, not so small.
You know, whenever Tania is cooking, sometimes I feel like I'm the taster. You know, I'm the food critic around here.
Yeah.
Whenever anyone cooks, I just wait and, you know.
By the way, you can't wait to eat my food.
No, I'm just waiting, yes. I can't wait. So, meaning, hurry up to cook. Naomi, what do you think about your auntie's cooking?
I like the cooking, I like the color of the food, everything is so wow. I can't wait to taste the food.
Really?
Yeah. I'm already salivating.
Wow.
Guys, Naomi is on the camera. Did you know that? Let me show you Naomi, guys. Let me just show you Naomi. A little bit. Did you know that Naomi wants to do cooking?
Yes, I'm very inspired by everyone around me. They like cooking. I'm so inspired. Also, I want to be like them. I like the food. I want to try also and see whether mine will also be tasty as theirs. I'm so inspired by them.
What do you want to do?
I want to do catering and hotel management.
Oh, catering and hotel management. So you're going to be a very big hotel owner here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Tell them to subscribe to
Please
Tania
like,
Barbs.
Subscribe to Tania Barbs.
Mama Rapo.
Mama Rapo.
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
So now we are putting salt. We are putting salt. You don't want to put much salt.
Wow. I think you should put everything, the ingredients, in the description box.
Yeah.
They should get it. The first time you cooked this, it was really amazing. I loved it.
Wow.
You know, eggs mixed with cabbages, tomatoes, green pepper, onion, spices. Guys, just try this at home.
I'm putting in ginger.
Okay.
Very small quantity. Garlic powder.
Guys, did you know that people who want to be food critics, or people who really love tasting a lot, don't want to cook?
I know.
Did you know that?
This is chicken
In the
masala.
comment section below, tell me if you're at your home and you're this person who complains all the time. You know, I want to see how the food looks like, and you did not cook well. Just tell me. I'm a good critic, but I appreciate people. Yeah.
Friends, we are done cooking our rice balls and our vegetable. Thank you who have been following me from where we started up to where we are now. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and share our videos. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you can get my next video. May God bless you. Thank you so much.